Hey, good morning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tie my 3 favorite knots I use on zipper pulls. I'm going to show you how to tie the cross knot, the loop knot, and the snake knot. If you've not done so already, please smash that like button if you like the video, and if you don't like the video, I guess don't do it. Okay, let's get started. The cross knot. So I'm using just a standard zipper pull and about 9 inches of paracord. So you're gonna take your right strand, feed it under, over, and under again. You're gonna be left with some type of figure 8 shape. You're then gonna take your bottom strand that's dangling and feel it up and through the top hole and down and through the bottom hole. Pull her tight and you have the cross knot. The loop knot. This is the most difficult of all the knots. You're going to take both strands and put them together, wrap them around your finger, feed both ends into the hole that you've created, pull her tight, and you have the loop knot. The snake knot. You're going to take your right strand, put it over top, under and around. You're going to take that bottom strand that's dangling, feed her under the other strand and through that hole you've created, pull her tight, and you have the snake knot. I'm not exactly the best at describing this. It's probably one of those things that's better just watching it and following along. The good thing about these 3 knots is that you can do them in succession and just have a zipper pull full of these knots and it'll look really cool. So if you made it this far, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Take care.